Well, here's the parking lot to Elephant Rock State Park. It's real big. They've got 2 sets of restrooms and vending machines, and visitors place up there, and a kiddie park. These rocks are granite that's been eroded over 1 billion years, and they're all very rounded from rain and ice, and they look like elephants standing around. That looks kind of like a whale draped over a mound of sand, but they're all very beautiful. So we're going to take a little look around. They sure go up there. Yeah, you can see this one at the top of the hill. They just look like elephants in a weird way, but it's just all from erosion. These are all volcanic eruptions, basically granite made of basalt, quartz, and feldspar. That's why they're so red. Let's take a walk down here. We'll show you what more is around. I guess it's just elephant after elephant here. Almost a sheer rock wall over there, and you can see that some of these have fallen away from it, and they've cleaved themselves just right off the edges, just fall. There's even a place where they had dynamited one of the cleaves to get it over with so nobody gets under it during a walk. So it's one of the few places that was cleaved on purpose. Here's another very good example of one that has fallen away from the host. You wouldn't want to be under there. Unlucky squirrel. Well, this is kind of the windy part here. The path is very nice. If it's not paved with macadam, it's actually granite that's just like flat earth. Some of the stones are kind of rough, and you can see the feldspar and the quartz crystals sticking right out of them if it's not covered with lichen. Just amazing here. Yeah. There's a good example of dynamite doing the job. You can see the drill holes there. So they could blast that away from being a danger to anybody. That's one of the few things that was done by man here. Otherwise, nature has done its job in creating this beautiful park. It's funny that these are all coated with this green lichen. Almost makes them look like elephants now. An appropriate name for a state park. These are basically just lava flows of basalt and everything, and it's just very consistent. And another outfit just down the road cuts this granite into countertops. And our hotel, or the motel called
Shepherd Mountain Inn.
Shepherd Mountain Inn, has got them throughout their place. A nice touch to a local place like that. I think this is a trail. Is that a trail? Yeah. Let's try this. More elephants. Lots of them. And down there is a lake. And it's quite spectacular. I didn't see any activity in the lake. Let's see, where's that lake? There it is. Yeah. So our path is a little bit more clearly defined here. This should take us back to almost where our car is parked. kind of clearly defined, not extremely clearly defined. All right, I think this is better over here, hon. We'll find out. Oh, I heard a horn. That's got to be ours.
I think it's over.
No, I think it's this way, girl. Because we came this way to get to the lake, yeah. All right, here we go. Wish us luck. By some sort of miracle, we have found our car. Oh, we came to many dead ends and a few cliff edges, but we finally found the trail getting down here, and we see our car. All right. What a cool place. They've got facilities for having a bite. You can grill here. A couple of picnic tables. There's probably many more on the other side of the lot. The squirrels here have white bellies. And therein lies why they call it Elephant Rocks. A beautiful place, highly recommended.